The Hereafter 13. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over the different difficulties and times of ease people face throughout their lives. There are things which a Muslim can remember in order to maintain their focus on the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. One of those things is to remember a fact which is supported by a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7088. It indicates that the person who ends up in paradise will not be bothered by the difficulties they faced during their life on earth. And the person who ends up in hell will not feel better when they are reminded of the luxuries they enjoyed during their life on earth. A person should not be fooled into thinking the hereafter is like this world. In this world, difficulties bother people even after the difficulties pass. And the moments when a person enjoyed luxuries can make them feel better even if they are in prison. But this is not the case in respect to the hereafter. So a Muslim should remember this fact when they are facing difficulties, knowing it will not bother them at all if they end up in paradise. And sins, vain things, and the luxuries of this world will not make them feel better if they end up in hell. This attitude is a strong mechanism which encourages a Muslim towards the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, if they ponder on it often.